guys, so we had been waiting for our rooms and our rooms are finally ready. So we have two rooms, one with a private pool and one gazebo room. So I'm going to show you the rooms once I reach the rooms. So abhi one room is ready and I'm going to give you a tour of the first room, and then once the other room is ready I'll show you the other room. So guys, right now I'm in the gazebo room. The first room that I showed you guys was the pool, private pool room, which are being used by me and my sister. And the second room is the private gazebo room, which my parents are using. And the view from the gazebo is beautiful. And I'm just loving this place. So we're back to our rooms and we're just chilling by the pool. We're gonna relax for some time, and then in another half an hour we're just gonna go for lunch. And the view is amazing. We're just sitting by the pool. We might get into the pool after our lunch, but right now we're just relaxing, and it's very windy right now. So even though it's very hot and sunny, but it's windy at the same time, so the weather is also amazing. And I'm just gonna relax there for some time. Hi guys, so we're finally going for lunch now, and it's pretty hot. Uh, so we're going to the coffee shop right now for lunch, and let's see what we will eat. So catch you later. Bye bye. Okay guys, so we just just got over that lunch, and we had their fettuccine pizza, which had pepperoni, feta cheese, and onion jam, and we had their mushroom risotto and their wok bowls, which consist of egg noodles and hot garlic chicken. And I personally really like their risotto, and the other two things are also very tasty. The pizza was really different. I really like pepperoni pizza, so this was a good pick, and I will suggest you guys to definitely try these things if you dine over here. Guys, so I'm back to the room, and I just changed into a robe because I was really very tired because I was in denim since a very long time, and I just wanted to feel a bit free. So now I'm just sitting by the pool again, and I want to rest for some time, and I'm gonna relax for another hour, and then I'm gonna go and do some activity which are offered by the hotel only. So I'm just gonna take a power nap over here only, and then I'm gonna do something. So let's see which activity I do, and I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. Bye bye. Guys, now we're just going to see the Shatranj area. It has many indoor and outdoor games, and it offers a variety of indoor and outdoor games. So we're just going to see and might end up playing some games for some time. And guys, it's almost 7 p.m. and all the lights of the property are on everywhere, and the property looks so beautiful. You can see at the back also. I mean, it's looking just so beautiful. Once it gets even more dark, around 9 or 10, I'm gonna show you how the property looks completely at night. And right now only the property is looking so pretty, so I'm pretty sure once it gets very dark, it's gonna look even more amazing. I'm just getting ready right now. I am not doing any makeup. I'm just gonna apply this sunscreen of mine. I use this sunscreen, Face Guard. I've been using this since 2-3 years and I love this, so I'm just gonna apply this on my face first. guys, so I've just applied my sunscreen and the lip gloss, and this is how I look. I'm just gonna show you my final look now. I'm all ready, and this is my final look. So this is how I'm looking. Ouch. Sister.
Hello.
So guys, we're now ready, and we're just gonna hit the bar now, have some drinks, and let's see. We're gonna go for dinner after 1 or 2 hours. First, we're gonna hit the bar, have some drinks, and then let's see when we go for dinner.
Bye.
Guys, I'm back, and now we're doing Netflix and chill, me and my sister, and we're watching Bollywood Vibes right now. I'm watching the show for the third fucking time.
Ravina and me have known each other for... Neenu, after you. Come on. Lovely. And we have landed.
Hey guys, good morning. So I'm just leaving for breakfast. Last night I dozed off while I was watching that show only because I was very tired and very sleepy. So right now I'm just leaving for breakfast, and I'm not really hungry, so I'm just gonna have something very light. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm back to the hotel room, and I'm just relaxing by the pool again, and the weather is really hot, but it's windy again. I don't know what is it about. It's very windy over here. It's actually more cold as compared to Delhi, so I'm wearing my jacket right now, and we're gonna check out within an hour. So I just wanted to give you guys a brief about the breakfast and the dinner of the place. So last night, I'll tell you what we guys had. We had peri peri chicken, which was served along with potato wedges. They give you the option whether you want to take it with fries or potato wedges. We had pan grilled mushrooms, their fish and chips, which is again I think served with, no, it's not served with potato wedges, and the other thing we had was chicken steak served with mashed potatoes and grilled vegetables. I really liked what we had for dinner. Honestly, I'm gonna suggest you to go for things what we had for our dinner, what we had for lunch. And coming to the breakfast, they have a very big vast variety of food that they serve for the buffet in breakfast. They have probably everything. The breakfast is really tasty. They have a lot of Indian varieties also, so you need not worry if you're somebody who cannot sustain without Indian food. Personally, I showed you guys what I had. I had sausages, I had fresh fruits, baked red beans, and I even had a slice of bacon, and that's it. I usually keep my breakfast very light. I do not feel hungry in the morning. I've told you guys this so many times that I take my first meal after 1 or 2 only, so that ways I cannot take heavy food during breakfast most of the time. So I've skipped my breakfast. I travel, both happens most of the times, and I even, okay, yes, this is one thing I'll suggest. If you do breakfast over here, do try their waffles. Their waffles are very tasty.
You made like 4 of them.
I did not. I shared it along with my mom and sister.
Not sister.
Yes, you did have.
No,
Okay, don't lie.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, so
No,
I
didn't.
shared. We had waffle twice, and we ended up sharing it. It's very tasty, very fluffy. That's what you say. That is why you're so thin, na Sierra. So the waffles are very tasty. Do try their waffles. And guys, we're gonna check out unfortunately within an hour. I really enjoyed my stay, and it was an amazing getaway. I will tell you guys this, ITC Grand Bharat is one of the most beautiful properties in Delhi, and it is a must visit. And the hospitality is amazing, the food is really good, the rooms are beautiful, and I had an amazing stay. So if you guys like this video and you want to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Bye bye.